Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a database in MS Access, or if you want to use the template, you can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to open the run box, and now we need to write the MS Access here. So now write it and now press the OK. So as you can see, the MS Access is open. Now simply what you need to do, if you want to use the template, then you have to click on the more template and you will get the templates here. If you want to download or if you want to search any kind of template, you can also do that. For example, I want to use this one, then you have to click on this, and after that you will get the create button. Then you have to click on the create button and the database download process will be started. So as you can see, it's downloading. We have to wait. So finally, as you can see, the database is downloaded. If you want to use, now you just have to entry and then your data will be automatically saved. Here's a new option, you have to click on that, and here you have to put the details of the data, and this is the template. So let's go to bake again file. If you want to create a blank database, you can also do that. Simply you need to click on the blank database, and after that you have to provide the database name, and then simply you have to select the location where you want to save your database. For example, I want to save in the documents, and then click on the OK, and then simply hit the create button and the database will be saved. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the template in MS Access, or how you can create your own blank database in MS Access. You just have to follow my steps, and after that you will be able to do that. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.